Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jundi. Today is a reintroductory video where I tell you all my origin story and why I'm still modeling. I started modeling my junior year of high school. I was kind of going through some mental situations, so I wanted to change that.
Nigga, hustlers don't stop. They keep going. You can lose your life, but you gotta keep going.
And put myself in a new environment. So I joined a student organization called Vogue Like Me. The 2 years I was a part of Vogue Like Me really helped boost my mental and my physical confidence, because you know sometimes we struggle with our appearance and everything. And my classmates, they were eating my walk. So I knew post high school that modeling was something that I wanted to pursue. So post high school, I knew I wanted to move to Chicago. So I ended up going to Columbia College, Chicago. And there it was a student organization called Picture Perfect Modeling Troupe, or PPMT. I was a part of PPMT all 4 years of college. I started off as the face and secretary, then I elevated to the vice president and became president my senior year of school. Picture Perfect was great because I learned a lot of good basics when it comes to all of the different types of modeling, and then when it comes to basics as far as runway and posing. And then we learned a lot of great industry standard tips to help us as professional models stepping into this space. Also with Picture Perfect, of course, we did a numerous of things, from photo shoots to fashion shows to art galleries to fashion films, which I'll have some tagged at the top. So it was a great way for me to build my modeling portfolio and ask questions with on-hand help that we had, you know, from the e-board and everything. It was an amazing experience, I can't even lie. You know, life happens, especially because I was in college during when COVID happened and everything, so definitely life was lifing. So as I'm returning to modeling, you know, your girl has some unfinished business. There's still some modeling goals and my ideal clients that I know I'll be working with in the near future. And because your girl wants to be the face, LOL, of confidence. You know, models need to have a good sense of self, and we need to know how to protect ourselves in the industry. So in the next episode, we will be talking about some truths that I had to learn the hard way as a model. And this is especially for our young and new models, but really these tips can help any model at any stage of their career. Stepping into the scene in a new space has been great thus far. I took time to get my mental right, because it all starts with your sense of self. And then I took a lot of researching, studying posing, because as a commercial and beauty model, I would be definitely just doing more posing than runway work. Also building my network with strong industry standard people that fit the type of confidence that I want to display as a model. So it's definitely been a slow and steady process, but I cannot wait to show you all of the things that I have been working on behind the scenes, and to share these tips, because again, protection is key, and we have to make sure that we stay protected out here in these streets, okay? But thank you all so much for tuning in today's video. And like I said, in the next video, we're going to be talking about some modeling lessons that I had to learn the hard way. I would suggest that every model watch this, especially if you are a young model, meaning that you are under the age of 18, and or if you're a new model. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, especially if you're on your own modeling journey. And I'll see y'all in the next one. See you.